Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make an omelet in Dreamlight Valley. This delicious 3-star meal is a fantastic way to boost your character's energy. It restores a generous 1,676 energy points, making it perfect for long foraging or mining sessions. To prepare this dish, you'll need to gather just 3 key ingredients. Let's dive into what you'll need and where to find it. First, you'll need 1 egg. You can typically find these in your coop, or sometimes a friendly character might provide one. Next, head over to Remai's restaurant. There, you can purchase 1 cheese for 180 star coins. While you're at Remai's, also pick up 1 milk, which costs 230 star coins. These 3 items are essential for your omelet. Once you have all your ingredients, find a cooking station. You can use the one in your house or any available stove in a restaurant. Simply interact with the stove, then drag and drop the egg, cheese, and milk into the cooking pot. Don't forget to add 1 coal ore to ignite the fire and start the cooking process. In moments, your fresh omelet will be ready. Your freshly cooked omelet is now ready to enjoy. It's an excellent meal for quickly replenishing your energy, allowing you to continue your adventures without interruption. If you're looking to earn some extra star coins, you can also sell an omelet for 882 star coins. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.